Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your problem. Problem is that you cannot change country region in the Apple ID. So how you can resolve that issue? Simply just follow the steps to do that. Simply just go to your settings of your iPhone before going to the Apple ID and just change the region. You just have to just change some settings in your iPhone, maybe iPad. Before going there, you just make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also, make sure that you just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. Just go to the software update and just update the latest iOS version. After that, simply just scroll down and just go to the VPN and device management sections. And here you just disconnect VPN from here. After that, simply just scroll down and just tap on a transfer reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and just reset the network settings from here. Simply just go back and we just gonna go that Apple ID and just go to the payment recipe sections and just wait for the verification. It's gonna verify my ID and also with the face ID and also type of password. So in this section you just have to just type a password and also verify your ID of Apple with the face. So you just have to just select the options in your settings. They're gonna verify and I'm gonna go to that interface, and here you just have to just tap on billing addresses, and here you just go scroll down and you see that the country region, just tap on that. So you see that I select the United Kingdom. So I'm gonna change it with the United States. Just find a United States country, just scroll it down and just find it, and you're gonna tap that and just continue. I'm gonna agree the agreements. Just agree and again agree from here. And you see that they're getting option of just like that. After that you see that just require some details, so just have to just get the random details from the Google and also type here, and you just country region gonna change. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.